how to change the left right shortcut on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, so click on lock screen. So if you want to change left and right shortcuts, so just click on shortcut and click on and no app. So after no app, click on and if you want to change, so add flashlight. So one side add flashlight and second side you will see add sound. So after add left and right new and click on done. So after click on done, you will see your left and right shortcuts change. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change life and left and right shortcut on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.